Hey guys, this is Martin for TechBlog Pool, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of the Samsung M21. This is it's a Galaxy M21, sort of a lower mid-range telephone, and let's take a look at this. I have a handy knife. Let's cut this open, and let's see what is in the box. So the packaging is kind of cute, nice, not as sturdy, I would say, as some of the higher end models. Let's break these seals. The box slides open like this, and there's a little pulley. Let's see what we have in this documentation. All right, regional lock guide. Not too much. Anything else? And the same in a different language, I guess. Okay, let's put that aside. Let's take a look at the phone itself. So, wow, the phone is actually quite big. Let's take of the cover. Where does it? Oh, here's a pulley. Okay. All right, well, that was quick and easy, and it starts automatically immediately. It's kind of a huge phone, I have to say. It has an OLED display, which is really nice. There's a triple camera array at the back. There's a single camera with a cutout at the front, and immediately you're greeted to setting up the phone. Let's see what else is in the box. Jesus, this doesn't really... Well, the iPhone experience is a little nicer. I'm sure the higher-end Galaxy phones are also a little bit better at this, but yeah, you know, you get what you pay for. One of the nicest features, I think, regarding this phone is that it has a 6,000 milliampere battery, so that's a really, really huge battery. Obviously, this is a USB-C cable. It's really short. I would say 1 meter, which honestly, I don't think is long enough for it to go from the phone, from your desk down to some power outlet. Yeah, but what can you do? Then we get a little power brick, which does not have any special covers on it. And of course, we get a little pin to take out the SIM card tray. Let's see what the tray actually looks like, if it has any rubber gasket around it. I'm not sure if this phone is waterproof. All right, so it has a dual SIM, and this third one looks like a micro SD card. Yeah, so I think you can expand the memory, and it doesn't seem like it really has any gasket, rubber gasket around it. So I wouldn't say that this is a waterproof phone. All right, guys, thank you for watching. This has been an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M21.